Morning traders. Second morning in a row, we're opening up at critical support. This is the end of the minor trend. This is proprietary alpha Fibonacci level. The end of the minor trend is out. This level is next. This level is out. This level is next. We're dealing with historical sell-off, but when market opening up at support, intelligent trader never shorts into. Intelligent trader demands powerful pullback up and then looks to short. So this is how messy this chart is this morning. The end of the minor trend is here. 1 minute chart showing you clearly. Does not matter what the news is. Does not matter that on the news Dow in free fall 500 points overnight. Support in front of you, you cannot short. Shorts into support produce results of less than 20%. So what is the ideal case scenario? Ideal case, powerful bullish push, then look to short. Stop the news, pay attention to chart, trade what you see. If we are stuck in worthless bullish pullbacks, which is the case for the last 12 hours, it's a problem. Shorting into support institutions can afford. You cannot. This is a reason for bullish spikes yesterday on Dow and S&P for hundreds of points. We're dealing with historical sell-off, but if support in front of you, as a day trader who has small account, you never violate this rule. You never short into support, you short from resistance. Institutions can afford to be negative. For minutes, hours, days, weeks, and months, you cannot. For you, every single tick matters. This is the end of the minor trend. This is a problem. It's been respected for the last 12 hours. And it doesn't matter if you trade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11. Any chart you trade, you never short near. And if it's 10, identical support remains. My goodness. This is a market for the last 12 hours. Obey support. Erase the news. How many points is Dow already up? 30. What is it reminding you? Trade the chart you see. And if it's pure price and Fibonacci, this is all you need. And that's the reason for this very dangerous chop on Dow. Market stuck. And if I go back to 1 minute chart, this is a play this morning. Chop. It's brutal. The end of the minor trend, stopping the sell-off. As a knowledgeable day trader who obeys pure price and Fibonacci, you understand how crucial this moment is. You also understand by looking on long-term chart, this is a historical event. Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone identified months in advance, shown you clearly. Never enter into ultimate resistance. This is critical. End of minor trend in front of you. 26,000 level. So trader, if in the next 2 days market will not defend this critical support, it is the sell-off we have not seen even in 2008. Are you ready for extreme volatility? Here's the basic math. Here's the simplicity of Alpha Fibonacci trading system. When pure price showing you that this is the end of the minor trend, your only option to buy this market. Scanner giving you long alert. But intelligent trader understands trading range is extremely limited this morning. So if you're pulling off 10, 20 points on Dow, you're moving your stop outside of break even instantly. No matter how horrific and bearish news is, if alpha Fibonacci support is present, your only option to take long. Boom! Once again, third morning this week on the news world in free fall, but in front of you critical support is present. Your only option to buy this market. And that's the power of the method. Alpha Fibonacci trading system will always override the news. Alpha Fibonacci trading systems show you in advance where to look to buy, where to look to short. This is a stunning reminder this morning. Never ever ever short into support. The breaking news on CNBC, market in free fall. On the chart again. Absolutely not. Only longs here once again. So what do we know will be critical next? This resistance. Did we know? Of course. Software showed us so. It's simple. It's black and white. Never ever ever trade on the news. Trade on the price. We agree? How many points did Dow already pushed? Almost 200 points. Flawless. Stunning open. But if right now Dow will continue this dance and will collapse lower, it's a gift. What does intelligent trader wants? This. Powerful bullish push. Then look to short. If we are dancing anywhere near here, you cannot short near this support. It's simple. It's black and white. So this is what we're watching, this is what we're discussing with students, this critical support and this critical resistance. This is your trading range this morning. Every single day market conditions will be different. Every single morning you can hear on the news that market in free fall, but in front of you critical support is present and instantly Dow rallies 200 points. It's a stunning reminder. Trade the price, not the news. Do we agree? This is your trading range. This is stunning and flawless. All we discussed, all we prepared for this morning, well before market open. So this is Apple from 2015-16. When Apple was at 91, it came out with the worst earnings in 13 years. Identical price action, identical structure. Apple doubles 3 years later. Reaches critical resistance, the end of the minor trend that Apple respects for many months. After earnings, Apple reaches next level. Next reaches alpha Fibonacci reversal zone when Apple starts selling off. And when Apple reaches the bottom, there is no surprise where Apple rallies from 140 ultimate low. It's simple. This is Apple now. Apple selling off from alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. 291 is critical on Apple. This level is out. 265 is next. The key. 265 is out. Oops. Apple selling off. And that's what intelligent trader knows and understands. Price action remains the same, no matter what you trade, no matter if it's Apple daily, weekly, monthly, no matter if it's S&P, no matter if it's Dow, no matter if it's pound, every single thing you trade remains exactly the same. The only difference, risk management and traders psychology, hold time. If you holding trade 5 minutes, 5 hours, 5 days, 5 weeks, 5 months, 5 years, choice is yours. This is exact same critical support on Euro traders, 105. Identical support as 91 on Apple, identical support as on Dow and S&P this morning. This support on Euro is out, Euro crashing to 87 cents. 87 cents is out, Euro crashes to 60 cents. Euro been respecting this support for the last 5 years, skyrocketing from this level. This level will be tested on Euro next. And that remains the key, traders. Ultimate low on Euro, ultimate support now. This is critical resistance on Euro next. Ultimate bottom, where Euro skyrocketed from in 2017. Reversal zone on weekly is the end of the minor trend on monthly chart. It's all the same, no matter what you trade. But this is what students trade. David, 22 ticks on oil. Emmanuel, 40 points on Dow. So here we go. Jean rolled weekly put options Dow on ES, QQQ, SPY, IW, Facebook, 350 points. Boom. This is knowledge. This is power. On any instrument. And this is how Alpha Fibonacci traders supporting each other. So if you're understanding the importance of critical support on Apple and Euro, take a look at this. 26,000 institutional number traders. 26,000 is out, market in free fall. This is a price action we have not seen since '08. The area between 26,000 and 27,000 on Dow is institutional level. If sell-off continues today and tomorrow, it is not a good news for the market. Market in free fall. If 26,000 is out in the next 2 weeks, market can erase years of bullish rallies. The most important 2 days in history, in many, many years. 26,000, 27,000 levels on Dow. Identical importance as you witnessing again and again and again this morning on day trading chart. We're still in this vicinity where we have been for the last 12 hours. This is vicinity notorious for failed shorts. Intelligent trader shorts from resistance, never ever into support. Market traded S&P first week in the course. Day number 4. Every single trade, different instrument. Emmanuel Dow, David oil. Jean options, multiple instruments. Marco S&P. You decide what you want to trade. So in front of you, critical moment. This is we're gonna find out if this is bullish fake out for another 50 points on Dow, or if Dow starts rallying. We only interested to short from resistance, never near this support. And again, if I convert this chart to 15, intelligent strategic trader knows this is Alpha Fibonacci support, never ever short near. S&P identical chart traders, this is the chart present in front of you for years. This was lifeline on S&P. 3,000 level, lifeline on S&P, the end of the minor trend. On institutional charts, identical support where S&P rallying from right now. So when the scanner giving you alerts and in these volatile market conditions, you understand the importance of execution, the importance of being prepared. And that's the power of Alpha Fibonacci traders. After a few days, nobody needs hand-holding, everyone prepared for volatility. And that spectacular community of intelligent quality traders. As Jean quoting me, trade as a sniper and then execute. Brilliant, intelligent trading. If David, Gary, Jean, Emmanuel, Marco can do it, so can you. Trade pure price. Buy from support. Never ever ever short near, no matter what the news says. So how many points did Dow already pull back already, as alerts keep flying extremely fast? Instant. Shock or not, we knew extremely well that no matter how horrific bearish headlines are, if this support is present, you never ever ever short near. This is how you will be tested to the core every single day in this extremely volatile market conditions. On the news, market in free fall, 500,000 points. On the chart, Dow is rallying. This is the case for the last 3 mornings. And this will continue. And that's how you will be tested for a basic concept of support and resistance. You never ever ever short near this level. Never ever ever. And when the scanner gives you an alert, you are extremely well prepared, no matter how volatile market is. So when Emmanuel bringing his wife to the course, it's an honor. David trading oil, Jean multiple options, on S&P, on Nasdaq, on SPY, on stock 350 points. Brett, S&P, Marco first week in the course, S&P, intelligent trader well prepared. Intelligent trader trades as a sniper and then executes. And this is power of Alpha Fibonacci traders, no matter what they choose to trade. So if Marco can do it first week in the course, so can you. Anyone can, on any instrument. So if you're ready to trade the price, not the news, I look forward to working with you. Please choose option appropriate for you and decide on lifetime license software, multi-market scanners with trade tool. Comes with 3 months group course or 6 months private mentoring that includes video library, live classes, live guided trading, modules that include not just day trading strategies but long-term strategies. As you saw, traders trade long-term all the time. You serious about trading? You want to trade like these students do? Pretty please, listen to podcasts, view videos. Community of traders all over the world in 57 countries. Method traded on Wall Street. What are you waiting for? Market will become more volatile, more extreme, will test you to the core. Any questions for me? Simply pick up the phone and call 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders.